Okay everyone, so in this video I just want to go and show you here an issue that I'm encountering with XAMPP. And you would see here that if I start Apache and start my SQL and try to go to my local host, you will see here guys, we are encountering an error. MySQL shut down unexpectedly. This may be due to a blocked port, missing dependencies, improper privileges, a crash, or shutdown by another method. Press the logs button to view error logs and check the Windows event viewer for more clues. If you need more help, copy and post this entire log window on the forums. So let's try to go and solve this, because if I try to go to my local host, the server is working. However, we have an issue with the, let's say, PHP login system. So you will see here it's working. However, if I go and try to go to PHP MyAdmin, I will be encountering an issue. So let's see here what will happen. And there's the error. It says here, welcome to PHP MyAdmin, cannot connect, invalid settings. So this is one of the possible solutions. So what I'll be doing here, I just went to the directory from where I placed my XAMPP server. So in your case, it might be fine. It might be available in your C drive. And right now, I went to the XAMPP folder. My advice will be to copy your htdocs, of course, and have a backup of that if most of your projects are there. Usually you placed most of your projects in the htdocs folder. Now what we want to look for in this directory would be the MySQL directory or folder. And you would see here guys, we have that data folder. So let's go and try to rename this. And let's just give this as data old version. And then let's create a new folder. Let's have another data. Then let's go to the backup folder. Let's copy all of this. And let's go put those information in the data folder that we've just created. And let's go to the data old version, and let's go and copy some of the databases that you have created previously. So just leave the folder performance, schema, and PHP MyAdmin. I know that the databases that I was working on and playing around with will be the following. So we have the MySQL data based here. That's just one of the data folders that we also want to include in our copied version. And let's also look for the IB data one. You will see that there's 12,288 kilobyte data here. So now let's go and try to copy all of those and go to the data folder here. And you will see there's a MySQL here. There's a test folder also here. Let's go and try to paste all of those and replace the files in the destination. Now let's go and try to check if this will already work, and on whether that solved the issue on our web server. Okay, it's not shutting down. Let's go and try this out. And there we go guys, we have been able to solve the issue. You would see we have some of the old let's check if the data is working. I have some of the, I'm actually working on doing some tests. And there we go guys, we have the databases, the old databases that we have in our web server, in our MySQL web server in XAMPP, and we were able to solve the issue of the MySQL shutting down.